And here we are again. That's not the right door.
Yellow. Really? BB. Why?
I knew that was gonna be worth getting on film. Now we're doing 4 blind.
I was blinded, and I don't see once again.
27:20. Not quite beating Kit's record for longest 4 blind solved, but.
Hey, that's pretty good.
All right, so on that solve, I actually messed up centers at one point, and then I managed to go back and fix it. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was gonna mess it all up, but then I fixed it. Now I've accomplished everything I came to this comp for. Multi-blind success, a 4-blind success, and an FMC mean under 35. Oh, of course, there's still feet to do, so let's do that. Actually, there's 3 blind first. Anyway. Everyone in that round of 3 blind had a success. That's 12 people. That's a lot. Also, it means that since my only success was really bad, I got last. Would you look at all these neat, orderly, or they're so symmetric. I just did a second round of multi-blind. Got 1 out of 4. One of them I just forgot to do parity on. Another one I was off by 3 corners, and the other was completely messed up, so I think I messed, or well, it wasn't completely messed up, it had most of it correct, but it was off by like 8 pieces, so I think I just messed up like an algorithm or something. I don't know, it was decent.
Why did you go? I like the stop move. At least you can get it. At least you can get like the corner. Towards Sally's. Now that's an event. That's 3 by 3 without Nice. I thought that was gonna be first reset.
That would have taken me longer than 2 seconds.
Andrew, you drew on that.
Damn it.
Oh man, it's the police. They're shutting us down for breaking the regs. It's almost 6:25 again.
6:25. Get in.
We're getting in. Push yourself in.
My phone's still turning on.
I missed my Snapchat today.
Alright, awesome.
Go. I don't Snapchat.
I'm just gonna run in and like.
Yeah, can we not do words about people care?
To quote Nathan Soria, are there prizes? Oh wait, you're taking a picture. Oh.
Goodbye, everybody. Nobody said goodbye to me.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Ow. I like how everyone I didn't know before this comp said goodbye to me, but none of my friends did. It's all right. You're my new friends now. Goodbye.